Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of saffron. Often referred to as the golden spice, saffron not only adds a burst of color and flavor to your dishes, but also comes with a plethora of health benefits. Stick around as we explore the incredible advantages of incorporating saffron into your lifestyle. Saffron is a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this golden spice can contribute significantly to your overall well-being. It contains essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid, which play crucial roles in maintaining a healthy body. Did you know that saffron has been linked to mood enhancement? Research suggests that saffron may have antidepressant properties, helping to alleviate symptoms of mood disorders. Including saffron in your diet may contribute to a brighter and more positive outlook on life. Heart health is paramount, and saffron can be your ally in this journey. Studies have shown that saffron may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier cardiovascular system. By incorporating saffron into your meals, you may be taking a step towards a heart-friendly lifestyle. Inflammation is at the root of many health issues. Fortunately, saffron possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation in the body. Whether you're dealing with joint pain or other inflammatory conditions, saffron may offer some relief. Your eyesight is precious, and saffron may play a role in supporting vision health. This spice contains compounds that are believed to have protective effects on the eyes. Including saffron in your diet might be a tasty way to give your eyes the care they deserve. And there you have it, the captivating benefits of saffron. From being a nutrient-packed spice to supporting mood, heart health, and more, saffron is truly a golden elixir for your well-being. If you haven't already, consider adding a pinch of saffron to your favorite recipes and experience these benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining bright with saffron.